Hello, my name's Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. I'm filming this short video during the COVID-19 global pandemic crisis. Quite often when my ladies come to flower class, they tell me how therapeutic they find it getting creative with flowers. So I thought I would come out into the garden and just take a moment and see whether I can find a moment of calm and peacefulness as I sit out in nature. I'm going to take a moment just to settle my breath. Breathing in through my nose and out through my mouth. I'm going to take a moment to stop and to notice, to engage my senses. As I sit here at just gone 7 o'clock in the morning, it's quite chilly. And as I take in a breath and breathe out again, I can see the warm air coming out into the fresh air. I've got bare feet too, and I can feel the cold stones, the slabs of our garden path underneath my feet. And wiggle my toes and spread them out and really engage with the firmness of the ground underneath me. I can feel the hard steps underneath my bottom as I wiggle around, feeling my sit bones really contacting with the hard steps. I've got a single layer on the bottom part of my arms. I can feel the chill working its way through. And as I sit here and listen, I can hear the birds chirping in my garden. And the distant sounds of some cars. I'm going to try and block out those man-made sounds and bring my focus back to me and my garden and the nature that's around me. I'm sitting next to some native hydrangeas. Actually, they're not, they're native geraniums. I've got my floristry scissors, and as I use those, I can hear the snip. I'm bringing a flower up in front of me so I can start to bring my focus to something that isn't me. I'm looking at the stem of this flimsy flower and noticing it's got a slight bend and it's covered in tiny hairs which are glistening white against the green stem. And as I bring myself focus to the top of the flower, I can see the purple petals which are just going over. They're getting quite dark and dried. Noticing the tiny buds are just about to burst out into flower. They're pink at the moment and quite stripy with little tufts on the end. And as I'm moving the flower between my finger and thumb, it's releasing a scent. So I really am engaging my senses, what I can see, what I can feel, what I can smell, and what I can hear. I hope you're able to get a moment outside during a daily walk, or if you're not allowed outside, you get the opportunity to open a window and breathe in some fresh air. And even though we're all isolated at the moment, to remember that you're not stuck in your four walls at home. Expand your mind and take yourself to a place where you've enjoyed being out in nature. Focus and concentrate on a single thing to bring your mind back to calm. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth.